Welcome to the Zentail dashboard. This is the default view that will open every time you log into Zentail. This page is not only packed with useful information at a glance, but it offers links to nearly every module of the Zentail platform.
A quick note before we start, this is a demo account, so some of the values may be a little bit extreme compared to what you'll see on your account.
Across the top of the dashboard, you'll notice a number of cards that indicate critical areas of your account. Unshipped orders will show a count of all orders that need to be shipped, and the card next to it will show how many orders are in need of your attention. You can click on View Orders on this card to see a list of the specific orders that need your oversight. The Sales Velocity table provides a quick view of how your sales are trending. It considers sales from every channel where Order Sync is enabled with Zentail. This table displays how many of your products have received an error message from a channel within the past hour. Products with missing attributes will give you an idea of how complete your product data is in Zentail. The Products from Missing Attributes table will display how many of your active SKUs are missing essential attributes. Clicking on the number under each field will take you to the Missing Attributes filter on your catalog page. One of the most notable items on the dashboard is the large Orders by Channel graph. This gives you a broad look at the last 24 hours of sales across all sales channels by default, but you can also isolate just one or a few channels, as well as set the dates you wish to review. For an even deeper dive into your sales performance, Zentail's Analytics Suite delivers real-time sales data to help you make informed decisions on the fly. Your Product Listing Errors graph keeps track of how many error messages we're receiving for your catalog. The View Recent Errors report brings you to a view dedicated to listing errors. Quick Fix will take you to the Quick Fix interface, which gives you a focused environment in which to knock out errors one product at a time. The Sales by Channel graph lets you quickly see the diversity of sales across your entire catalog. You can check over present lengths of time or set a custom date range to quickly see your performance across all channels. On the dashboard, you'll also notice the highest selling products chart, so you can focus on your best performers. And finally, at the bottom left of the dashboard, you'll see the buy box percentage, which will show you how many of your listings currently hold the buy box on Amazon or Walmart. The dashboard is meant to provide you with high-level, actionable insights at a glance. Check out more on help.zentail.com or look through more of our videos to see how Zentail can accelerate your business further.